Sam has an opportunity to save $200 per month at an APR of 7.2% in a 401k plan through work. She's planning to retire in 25 years. The income taxes are set at a rate of 28% for Sam. We're going to answer 3 questions with this. The first one, part A, how much will Sam deposit into her 401k by the time she retires? Well, let's think about this. She's depositing $200 per month. All right, so $200 per month. Well, how many months are in a year? 12. So if I multiply 200 by 12, that will tell me how much she's putting in per year. So she's putting in $2,400 per year. And if she's putting in $2,400 in 1 year, well, how much will she put in 25 years? So if I take $2,400 times 25, Sam is going to deposit $60,000 into her retirement account, her 401k, in 25 years. Part B, how much less will Sam receive in take-home pay with the income tax saving? Because remember, 401k comes out pre-tax, so the amount, it's not going to be the same. If she saves $200, her income is not, what she takes home is not going to go down by $200. So let's look at this. Without the 401k. Okay, so let's pretend, because we don't really know how much she's taken home, right? We don't have an amount for that. So let's just pretend that she has earning $1,000 a month, right? Just for a number. Well, at 28%, if I multiply that by 28%, that means $280 is taken out in taxes, right? So if I take the $1,000 that she started with, and again, that's a made-up number, and I take out the $280, she would end up with $720 take-home. That was supposed to be a dollar sign right there. It's a horrible dollar sign. Okay, so this kind of is going to work no matter how much her take-home was because the percentages are the same, if that makes any sense. So with the 401k, again, we've got to start with the $1,000, but now remember, we're taking out the $200, that's the 401k. So only $800 is being taxed. Does that make sense? Because the $200, the 401k money, it goes away. It's flying away into the air. And so the $800 is what we're taxing. So we're taxing at 28%, and so $224 is what they are taking out in taxes. So she's at $800 of take home because the $200 is in the 401k, and then you take away the $224 in taxes, so she's actually taking home $576. So when we look at this, well, what's the difference? $720 in take home over here minus $576, the difference is $144. So she's investing $200 in her 401k, and the difference in take-home is really only $144. So you see, it's almost like she's saving $56 by investing in her 401k, right? And if you look at that over the cost of 25 years, I don't have a free page, but if it's $144 a month, 12 months in a year for 25 years, we're talking $43,200. That's the difference. That's kind of like what she's saving in terms of, not saving, that's not the right word. That's the difference in the take-home pay. So really, yeah, that's the extra investment. It's a big difference, big difference. Okay, changing thoughts completely on that. If the company will match 20%, how much will the company contribute? Okay, so remember, Sam is contributing $200 a month. If the company will match 20%, well, what's 20% of that? Well, 20% of 200 is $40. So the company is going to contribute $40 per month. That should be a P, per month. So if you take the 40, 12 months in a year, 25 years that Sam is working, the company is going to contribute $12,000. And that's kind of like free money, right? They don't take that out of your pay. That's extra. That's additional. So they're giving you an extra $12,000, and then with interest and everything else, you're going to earn more than that. So anytime you can get a company match of any kind, it's good. It's free money in your retirement.